Hello students, welcome for today's lesson about the structure of the atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical change. The atom is made up of two regions. We have the central part called the nucleus and a region surrounding the nucleus which forms the electron cloud. It has three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The nucleus houses the nucleons, that is the protons and the neutrons, while the electron cloud contains the electrons. Subatomic particles are small particles that are found in the atom. They constitute the atom. So this can be explained in the diagram alongside. So you can see inside the nucleus we have the nucleons, which are the protons and the neutrons. We have the electrons, which are found in energy levels. They are arranged in shells around the nucleus. Properties of subatomic particles. We have a table showing the summary of subatomic particles. We have the proton, which has a relative mass of 1. The chemical symbol is P and the charge is positive 1. We have the electron, which has a relative mass of 1/1840. The chemical symbol is letter E and it has a -1 charge. Then finally we have the neutron, which has a relative atomic mass of 1. The chemical symbol is an N and the charge is 0. Now, properties of the proton. The proton is positively charged. It is found in the center of an atom called the nucleus. It has a relative mass of 1 atomic mass unit. The number of protons in an atom of an element is the atomic number. Then we have the electron. The electron is negatively charged. They are found at fixed positions around the center of the atom called the energy levels. Then we have it has a relative atomic mass of 1/1840 AMU, atomic mass units. Now we have the neutrons. The neutron is neither positive nor negatively charged. Thus it is neutral. Like protons, it is found in the center of an atom called the nucleus. It has a relative mass of 1 atomic mass unit. The diagram below shows the relative positions of protons, electrons, and neutrons in an atom of helium and lithium. So you can see in the atom of helium, the nucleus consists of the protons and the neutrons, while outside the nucleus, along a shell or an energy level, we have electrons. Then on the other hand, in the case of lithium, which has 3 protons and 4 neutrons, they are all of them found inside the nucleus. The 3 protons plus the 4 neutrons are inside the nucleus, while the 3 electrons are found around the energy levels. Now, the protons and the neutrons are called nucleons because they are found inside the nucleus. So we can be able to write the atomic structure of lithium as 7 lithium 3. What does that mean? The 7 represents the mass number, which is the sum of protons and neutrons. The 3 represents the atomic number, which is the number of protons in the nucleus of lithium. In an atom, the number of protons equals the number of electrons, And that is why an atom is electrically neutral. Now, atomic number and mass number. Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons in an atom. In any atom, atomic number is the number of protons. Number of protons equals the number of electrons. That is why an atom is electrically neutral. Mass number is protons plus neutrons. Number of neutrons is equals to mass number minus number of protons. When getting the mass of an atom, the mass of electrons is ignored because it is infinitely smaller or negligible. For example, magnesium has 12 protons and 12 neutrons. Its mass number is 12 plus 12, which is 24. Potassium has 2 protons and 19 neutrons. 20 protons and 19 neutrons. Its mass number is equals to 20 plus 19, which is 39. When writing the chemical symbols of an element, the mass number is written as a superscript on the left, while the atomic number is written as a subscript on the left. Mass number, for example, carbon's mass number is 12 and atomic number is 6. So atomic number is equals to the number of protons, which is 6. Number of electrons is equals to 6 because we said electrons are always equal to protons. Number of neutrons is 12 minus 6, which is equals to 6. What about lead with a mass number of 207 and an atomic number of 82? How can we be able to find the mass number, atomic number, number of electrons, number of neutrons? I'll show you right away. In lead, the mass number is 207 because we have said the mass number is usually written as a superscript on the left-hand side of the chemical symbol. Atomic number is going to be equal to 82, which is the number of protons. Atomic number is the number of protons is equals to 82. The number of electrons is going to be equal to 82 because electrons are equal to protons in an atom. And now the number of neutrons are going to be 207 subtract 82. And this is going to give us 5, 2, 125. That is how you do the calculations. So I repeat, mass number is the number on the side of the left-hand side on the symbol as a superscript. Atomic number is the one as the subscript. Number of electrons are always equal to number of protons in an atom. Then the number of neutrons, now you normally take the mass number minus the atomic number, which gives us 125.